Hi everyone, I'm Maria Antoinette Santailena from BPA OUM1B. For this video, I will show you different exercises under resistance exercise, functional training, and core flexibility that you can easily do at home. First, let's begin with resistance exercise. Lunges are great for strengthening the leg muscles, back, abs, and core. They also help improve balance and body coordination. Here are the steps in doing basic lunge. First, stand straight with your chin up. Next, take one foot forward while keeping the other foot in place. Then slowly bend both knees until they form a 90-degree angle. After that, return to starting position. Planks are excellent for strengthening almost all the muscles in the body. They also improve endurance, stability, and physical balance. To do a plank, first lie down facing the floor with your legs and shoulder width apart. Then lift your body while balancing your weight on your forearms and toes. Pull your stomach in, look straight ahead, and hold the position. Let's go to the next exercise under functional training. The exercise is the body weight squat. Body weight squat helps strengthen the lower body muscles, especially the legs and glutes. They also improve mobility and functional movement for everyday activities. To perform a body weight squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and your chest up. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body as if sitting on a chair. Then push yourself back up to the starting position. And for the last exercise under core flexibility, we have the child's pose. The child's pose is a refreshing stretch that helps relax the back, hips, shoulders while improving flexibility. To perform this exercise, sit back on your heels, extend your arms forward on the ground, relax your forehead on the mat and breathe deeply when holding the position. That's the end of our exercises for resistance exercise, functional training, and core flexibility. Thank you for watching.